Hey there and welcome back. Now in this part I'm going to discuss JList, Java JList, which is another GUI component. So in this JList, it is used to represent a list of text items. The list of text items can be set up so that the user can choose either one item or a multiple items from them. It is also inherited from a J component classes. As you can see on my screen, this is a sample output how it would look after I'm going to execute it. This JList item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, so on like things. So to make a application like that, so without wasting time, I'm going to make this application. For it, just open up your notepad and import javax.swing.asterisk, then semicolon, then write public class list example, open curly braces. Now write list example. This is a constructor. Now inside it, I'm just going to create an instance for my frame as I did in my previous videos. Now after creating an instance for my frame, just write default list model and typecast into string L1 equal to new default list model. This is a syntax which you have to use to implement this list example. Now add this into frame. Before adding this list, just add the elements like L1.addElement item 1, L1.element item 2, L1.addElement item 3, and similarly like that. You can it's up to you that how much element you wanted to add into your list. Once you added all the elements into the list, you have to add this list into a frame so that when you execute this program, an application will be formed. In application frame will be there, inside frame this list must be there. So here I added up to item 4. Okay, now I'm going to JList string list equal to new list L1. Now write list dot set boundaries 100 comma 100 comma 75 75. This is my height and width 75, and 100 and 100 is my xy locations where this list will be located in my application. Now I added the list into my frame. Now set the size of frame if you wanted, set the layout of your frame if you wanted. If you want to set the visibility, you have to write true. Okay, so in this manner I created a simple list where I use the add element keyword to add the items 1, 2, and 3 and 4 into it, and using default list model. Then created a JList string list equal to new JList L1. Now write publish static void main string args. This is the main method of our program from where all the things begins. Here I'm just going to create an object for my class list example. For it, just write new list example. Okay, now close all the curly braces. After closing it, just save this file with the name of your class name. Paste it here .java with an extension. All files, these are all the files which I have created previously. Now open the, let me copy this directory so that I can easily move to that location. I'm using cd command, cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now jump into E drive, write cd and paste that directory. I'm now in the directory where all the files are saved. Now here I'm going to write java c list example dot java. Now after doing it, so just write java list example. Just move the upper right arrow button. This is my item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. You can select one of them. It's up to you how you can use them. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Click on here, click here, click here. Okay, different options are there. Now this is all about list.